Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naveen. Today, let's see what is the overall performance of our algo for the month of July. So guys, as you can see, this is the profit and losses made by our algo for the month of July. Overall, it has made 9,851 rupees profit, of which ROI is standing around 32%. This ROI is calculated on 30K. 30K is the amount required to deploy one lot of algo. So one lot, this all the calculations are made in one lot only, and all the P&L recorded here is based on one lot only. So on 30K, it is 32% ROI. And guys, our algo has 3K fixed stop loss for each day. Once it hits 3K stop loss, uh, again there will be no trade triggered in the algo. So this is the overall performance. And if we remove 30% from this profit generated, let's see what is the ROI. So guys, you can see it is 22.9, somewhere around 23% ROI. If you remove 30% as slippage and brokerage, no, it's still standing in 23% net profit. So it is a 23% ROI for the 30K capital you have deployed. So guys, we are giving the subscription of this algo from this month at just rupees 2,999 rupees only. Interested people can text me in Telegram. I'll leave the link in the description for Telegram and for also Excel sheet. So if you have any doubt in the Excel sheet, you can just click the link and go through the Excel sheet. And this is my Telegram channel. Do follow my Telegram channel for more updates. I'll be posting all the updates in my Telegram channel on daily basis. So you can see all the photos have been posted regarding the algos, and all the updates will be posted in this group. So for more details, do follow my Telegram channel, and I will leave the Telegram channel link in the description as well. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.